Let's jump into our 5 key features. First feature will be going live. When you're on the channel that you desire to be on, we're going to stick on our home channel, select the stream button from your toolbar. You'll get 2 options, to studio or third-party software. We're going to select studio. We're going to allow permissions for our camera and mic. I'm turning my camera off for this preview. We're going to name this. Please note you won't be able to move forward without giving your stream a display name. Let's press continue. Perfect. Here we are. Once this is loaded, you're now within your stream. From there, Studio boot up, and once you've selected the Go Live option, right from the toolbar to the top right-hand side. You'll note you're live when you see the live button with the timer. Perfect. Now you're live, and you see the timers started. From there, to go offline, you'll just click the offline button in the same toolbar menu.